Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk through the Light Config Server UI development for developers. Every time you start the UI, it will access the Light Config Server UI API. So you have to make sure the server is running on your local before you start the UI development. And for the Light Config Server, it depends on the MongoDB. So we have to start local MongoDB using Docker container. So the first step, we go to, you need to check out Light Docker repository from a NetONT organization on the GitHub. I've already got this project checked out, so I'll just go to the Light Docker directory under NetONT. To run the Docker Compose, you use Docker Compose -f, Docker Compose integration test YAML up. This will basically start the MongoDB as part of the integration test dependency. Once you have MongoDB started, you can go to the Light Config Server directory to get Light Config Server built and start it in the command line. If you haven't checked out yet, you check out the Light Config Server from GitHub NetONT organization. If you have this checked out, you can just use a Maven clean install -p release, so we can create a file jar and we can invoke the file jar in the command line. This basically will run the test cases. You can see when we run the test case, we are accessing MongoDB. Now let's start the server in the command line. We can use java-jar target /server.jar to start the config server in command line. This will basically start the config server listening to port number 8448443 using HTTPS. The last step, we want to start UI. So you go to in another terminal, you go to Light Config Server /view. You first need to run yarn install to get all the Node.js dependency installed. I've already got this installed already, so I can just use yarn start. Once you run yarn start, it's basically start the application. And also, it will start the application in another tab. You can see this is the application started, listening to localhost 3000. This will basically access the API and started in this terminal. This is the first UI shows up the dashboard, so we can start development from here. I myself prefer using Visual Studio Code for React application. This is the code I opened in the Visual Studio Code. This is a config server view. The first interface, this interface is dashboard interface, which is dashboard.js. It basically lists all the services you'll upload to the config server with configurations. Because at this moment, there are no services available, so in the dashboard right now is empty. That's it for the UI developer. This is a step-by-step guide. You can start your UI development in your IDE, for example, Visual Studio Code. And you can debug into the IDE. And also you should know using this developer tool to monitor the application console log, and also check the variables for debugging. You can also set breakpoint in the IDE to debug into the code. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.